Hi guys, my name is Bianca. This is my dog Burger King, and this is my friend Sofia and Dress.
Yeah.
Now, Sofia is one of my friends that likes to cook with me in the kitchen, like Rian. Whenever she knows I'm gonna cook or bake something, she's always like, Ate, can I help? So yeah. No, it's good that
I like baking.
young people your age are interested in being in the kitchen, because I was like you also when I was your age. Akala mo naman ang tanda ko na. No. We're doing a lemon berry loaf because Ralph really likes lemony things.
Me also, I love
He likes like lemon bars.
Lemon square.
And this one is a little bit more tart because we're using raspberries. So raspberries are kind of sour as well. And we're gonna do this lemon berry loaf in my same style of like rustic crispy edges and a nice moist
Sarap. Oh my
center. Super easy. Kayang-kaya mo to. Feeling ko I could just like narrate the story.
Sana magawa ko ng kasi not.
And then
Ayaw ko ma-fail to.
hands mo yung gagalaw. Okay, so I like to brown my butter because it gives it like this caramelized scent. It takes around like 10 or 15 minutes. So you have to like stir it every now and then also so it doesn't burn. And while that is browning, you're gonna preheat the oven. We are doing 170 degrees Celsius. So first, we're going to combine the dry ingredients. A lot of people who did my best banana bread ever recipe that you have to try told me that their bread didn't come out perfect. Like it was still kind of wet in the middle. But they had problems with their bread. So in that video, I kind of skipped some essential tips. When you get flour, kunyari from the big bag, right? You just take a big heaping scoop of flour. You just kind of level it off like that.
So it's easier.
Back and forth, yeah, instead of doing that. So I already measured that out for you. You could just put that directly into the bowl. And then I already mixed the baking powder, the baking soda, and the salt in that. So you can just put that there. And then you whisk everything together. Okay, I'll finish doing that. Okay, the next thing you're going to do is the wet ingredients. So first, 3 eggs.
Wow, I feel like an expert now.
What do you like baking?
Cookies.
Cookies.
I think that's the easiest one.
3 tablespoons freshly squeezed lemon juice. And then 2 tablespoons of lemon zest. Hi, Shops. I'm so messy. What's next? Vanilla. This I just eyeball because I feel like sayang to put it in a spoon. Oh, I almost forgot. Sugar. We're using cocoa sugar. Since this recipe is not healthy, it's delicious, but it's really fattening. We're gonna try to be a little bit good by using cocoa sugar. I forgot something. The butter. Ooh, look at how brown that is. See, that's the kind of browning that you want. Smell it.
Bango, sobra.
What does it smell like?
French toast.
Yeah. French toast.
Yeah.
To me, it smells like butterscotch.
Okay, I follow you. Yes! Yes! Work it!
So another common mistake I think people are making when they're baking is that they really stir it like that. What happens there is it removes the air, so it makes the baked good really dense. I'll just demo it real quick. Yeah, you get that. Yeah. So you go under and then over in a figure 8. So we're just gonna put in some flour with the berries so that they don't sink to the bottom later. My hands are clean, I swear. See those white bits? That's totally fine. Yeah, that's fine. Oh, don't do this as well. Don't do that. Yeah, it's a no-no.
Why?
Because you're gonna lose the air also inside, so it's gonna become dense. So just like put it all over the place.
Berries overload.
Yummy. Yeah, you got that yummy, yummy, yummy.
That one. Good. Asim!
Okay, I'm gonna put this in the oven. Okay, don't touch it, it's hot. I'm just gonna let it cool for a bit. And while that's cooling, we're gonna make the lemon glaze. For the lemon glaze, we need icing sugar, lemon juice, and lemon zest. Just mix it all together here. So we're gonna drizzle this on top of the lemon berry loaf. Yeah, this is good. Not too thick, not too thin. I hope I do this in a very nice, classy way. Yeah. Oh yeah, that looks good. That looks yummy. Mmm. I'm so excited. This is always the best part.
Yum. Wow.
Yeah. Okay, let's try now.
I want to try the yung parang crispy.
Yeah, I like the crispy bits.
Oh. Wow. Even moist yung inside. Sugar.
If you guys like this video, please like it and comment below and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, Bianca_King. What's yours?
I don't have a YouTube channel, but I have Instagram.
Instagram.
Yeah. At Sofia and Jess.